Good morning!
Good morning.
Good morning everyone! So, nagbabalik ulit kami. So, for today's video, I'm going to talk about the last day of Akila's work. So, mamaya guys, i-discuss namin kung bakit nga ba nag-last day na si Aki. Probably, more on ako yung magbabat-in sa story na to kasi as you all observe, si Aki is not really much into talking, so he will just answer what I'm going to ask, and then he will explain why to stop working na and bakit last day na niya. Okay, but for now, dadaan muna kami sa Tim Hortons kasi meron kami ngayong Calgary guys. We have a service, car service for today in Toyota that will be in Calgary, and then meron din kaming change tire sa Calgary din yon. So, sabay na yun together. And hindi lang kami yung pupunta doon. Syempre, kasama pa din namin yung pamilya Montaliana. So, susunduin namin sila. Pero, magdadalawang car kami for today. It's just, hindi lang talaga kami nakapag-prepare ni Aki ng breakfast. Kaya, kailangan naming dumaan sa Tim Hortons. And, ayun, medyo na-late kami ng gising. So, simula nung guys, after nung gender reveal namin, we're too much busy na talaga, and yun nga, lagi akong pagod. I'm always tired. I always feel sleepy na ngayon kasi nga, na siya, third trimester na, so medyo mabigat na. On the way na kami ng Calgary, nakabili na rin siya ng kanyang breakfast,
Energy drinks.
Yeah, that's French vanilla with a shot of espresso. Naubos na rin niya yung kanyang sausage muffin. So ngayon, papunta na kami sa Calgary. And guys, look. Ganda. Ang ganda ng weather today. Unlike yesterday. Off din kami yesterday. We're waiting for the weather to become okay yesterday. At least kahit konting, sun. Di talaga naging sunny kahapon. So, but today, hopefully, the weather will be consistent as it is. I didn't wear winter jacket. He wears. So yun, ang pag-uusapan natin ay bakit nga ba nag-last day na si Aki sa work niya. So as we vlog it before, na na-hired si Aki like a year ago sa thrift store or sa community thrift. So for those people who's living here in Canada, they really well known what is thrift store here in Canada. So it's also part of the government where our people in town are donating in that store, and then they are selling it to the town, and then a lot of people are visiting because you can buy cheap things there like gamit sa mga sa bahay or clothes or electronics, mga ganon. So kahit mga shoes, mga bags, meron din.
Antique items.
Most especially yung mga antique. Ang thrift store, of course, most of the people here in our town, gustong-gusto talaga nila na makapasok din sa thrift kasi unang-una, syempre, hindi naman ganun kabigat ang trabaho if you're not in the delivery stations or in the delivery department. But if you are like in the main store or in the clothing, yung work mo is very chill. So minimal lang din. Nagbi-busy pero hindi talaga ganun kasing bigat ng mga tao na nasa deliveries. And then of course, thrift store are one of the company that give good benefits. Kaya gustong-gusto ni Aki na makapasok dun before. Gusto rin namin, pinupush ko rin talaga siya na okay, yeah, pursue it, push it, kasi maganda, aside sa maganda ang pasahod nila, medyo mataas naman talaga sa inumpisahan naming sahod dito sa Canada. Maganda yung benefits, like of course you don't need to pay insurance, health insurance here in Canada kasi covered na siya, kasama na yung family mo. You don't need to pay it every cut-off. And then sick leave, pay leave, meron din silang 3 weeks pay yung leave mo in 1 year. What else? They also added salary wage increase every year. So, maganda talaga yung benefits ng thrift store. Why Aki decide to stop working there? Did you got laid off? Are you not happy anymore?
I'm happy there.
Is there something bothering you that you need to stop right away working there? So those are the things that we're going to find out from Aki, kung bakit nga ba talaga siya umalis ng thrift store. Of all the things that I've mentioned na ang ganda ng benefits sa thrift store, sa pasahod, sa health benefits, sa personal benefits. So, ayun. Okay? So, stay really direct to the point. The reason for you living in thrift store. I'm just going to ask you some few questions. What are the things that you really like working there in thrift store? What are you gonna miss? So those things that you like the most first, especially when you started to work until you end up your work with them.
I like the people, the staff. They are really good.
They're really kind.
Yeah.
So you like the band.
Yeah.
You really like their chill, right?
Yeah, it's not tired, and yeah, very chill. And I like there because all the items, especially like antique items, electronic items, they are receiving, and I can purchase also, but same price. We don't have like staff discount. Whatever give to customer, same price. We need to pay.
Yeah, the only thing is, of course, you have a benefits on that, because if you're the one who will receive, then you want to take it, even the price is just the same on how are you going to give it to the customer. You still benefited on it kasi you're the one who take it first. So ayun na nga guys, Akila already mentioned what are the things that he's gonna be miss in thrift store. For sure naman, no, your titas will also miss you. No? So when he submitted his resignation letter, what they feel? What did you receive comments from them?
They get shocked. They don't like, why are you going to leave us?
Yeah. So most of them are hesitant to give up Aki. Not to being, mayabang, but there are just only few there, and they already know each other very well. Aki is turning a year now in thrift store, supposed to be. Dodge, Ram, and Jeep. How about GMC? No.
No, it's different.
Okay, so that's one store here in Canmore, located here in Canmore. That's the only store that combining with the Chrysler, with Dodge, with the Ram, and Jeep. So doon siya na-hired, guys. Na-hired siya as auto parts service advisor. And yeah, after ng gender reveal, he got scheduled for an interview. And then after interview, maybe around before 5 p.m, the manager called back again to Aki, because he's not the only person that will do the interview for that specific day. One of the person there told him that there is another 3 more upcoming. So Akila is also a bit hesitant that, do you think I can get it? Because there's still a lot of people pala down the line to me that needs to be interviewed for that day also. But we're still hoping, we're still keep on you know, giving positive with each other, that let's hope for the best. Let's see. The day is not yet ended yet. So as per the manager that did the interview to Aki, that they're going to call back Aki within the day. And while we are in the house and doing our, you know, house chores, Aki received a call, right? He received a call before 5 o'clock coming from his manager, and that manager told to Aki that we're going to we selected you. That's what the manager said to Aki. So of course the happiness already came out from his face, that he really didn't expect that he will be the chosen one. And the manager,
because I don't have more experience working there.
yeah. By the way, guys, he applied in the auto parts service advisor in Chrysler. He has experience, like 1 year experience in Canadian Tire. Kasi nga, di ba, yung second job ni Aki ay auto parts service advisor din sa Canadian Tire.
Said, thanks for Sir Seth. He's the one who hired me Canadian Tire. Actually, I go at the Canadian Tire. I keep my CV not for the automotive department, but he chose me as a part of his team. So I joined there.
And he likes it, right?
Yeah,
Because
that's my passion.
he loves you know, learning about cars. He loves making kalikot with the cars. So it's just that Aki don't have a license doing the technical things about the car. But you know, it's a baby step na while he is talking to the customers, he's learning something, parts of the car, the problems of the car that needs to be fixed. They are the one who will advise to the customers and then turn over to the technicians that will do the rest. So yun, big thanks to the manager who hired Aki in Canadian Tire. And of course, thank you to Kuya Mark who recommended him in the Chrysler. So ayun, guys, back to the story. The manager called Aki, and the manager said that we've chosen you, we selected you. When are you gonna be started? So yun yung tanong. And then of course, no, it's not easy as that to tell that I can start tomorrow. No, it's not just like that, because in Canada, the standard rendering for your resignation is at least 2 weeks. Especially in the thrift store, you know, they treat Aki as part of, you know, they welcome Aki very well. They treat Aki very well. So Aki don't like just to leave them like that. Of course, Aki needs to do his professional thing to render properly. That's why he told to the managers that I'm gonna be there after 2 weeks, because I need to render a resignation for 2 weeks as well. So yun, that's the time that Akila submitted a resignation, but the manager said, can you come tomorrow for the job offer? up for a job offer. And then, yeah, from that job offer, the Chrysler mentioned what are the benefits, what are the, how about the compensation. So, Aki choose to resign in thrift store because, syempre guys, in reality, you're also after with the compensation, right? Even though the thrift store is also good compensation, good benefits, and then good health benefits as well. Yun nga, it depends pa din dun sa person kung bakit niya tinanggap. For Aki, he accepted it because that's his passion. He wants to grow from that kind of field. Gusto niya yung natututo siya sa pagdating sa mga about sa sasakyan. Malay natin soon, 'di ba? Magkaroon siya ng level up dito sa Chrysler, not just only auto part service advisor, 'di ba? Kasi when he started to work in Canadian Tire, he learned the small things like changing tires, changing oils, and detecting some kind of problem in the cars that they are experiencing based on the different kinds of customers. So natututo siya, and he's happy doing that. So that's why Aki accepted the Chrysler, because aside from, you know, bigger compensation than thrift store, he will learn. Makukontinue niya yung fashion niya on doing that kind of thing, na feeling niya mag-grow siya dito sooner or later, diba?
Yeah.
But aside from that, guys, of course, we are not, ano pa din kami, parang nandun pa din yung pangamba. Nangangamba din kami kasi hinired siya ng Chrysler, but most of you knows that Chrysler is
American brand.
it's an American brand. So, ang nangyayari ngayon, 'di ba, sa mundong ginagalawan natin, we're experiencing problem not just only Canada, but all over the world when it comes to tariff. So, syempre, inisip na din namin yun na i-give up niya yung thrift store and then is going to be part of Chrysler. And we all know that Chrysler is American brand. Na karamihan ngayon ng mga company nagli-laid off ng mga tao, lalo na kung ang handle or ang negosyo na ginagalawan nila ay malaking part yung America. So, of course, ang Chrysler galing American brand kasi siya. So, anytime soon na kapag sinabi na pwedeng mag-laid off si Aki, wala kaming magagawa. Pero, nabuhayan kami or lumakas yung loob namin kasi nga, sa Chrysler, siya lang mag-isang service advisor. So, siya lang yung mag-isang auto service advisor. And then, yung sumunod sa kanya, manager na. So, he didn't have too much competitors when it comes to the co-workers. So, yun din yung sinabi sa amin nung nag-recommend sa kanya na huwag kayong mangamba kasi ang Chrysler naman ay hindi naman madami ang mga staff, lalo na sa auto part service advisor. So, isa din yun sa talagang sinecured namin, guys. Kasi, as you all know, syempre, mag-leave ako. So, 1 year akong naka-leave, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung magiging income ko for that specific year. Kasi nga, syempre, I will be on maternity leave. And then, tapos mali-laid off pa si Aki. So, isa yun sa mga winori namin. Pero, yun nga, sabi nila, you will not know if you will not take the risk. So, it's a risky decision for both of us. But, I know that God plans this one. Hindi naman siya magpaplano ng hindi rin sa ikabubuti ng namin or ng bawat isa. Kasi we also prayed for this. Like, we asked the guidance of God that if it will come for laying off, wag na lang sanang i-hire. But there is no problem when hiring of Aki. So, kinontinue namin, pinush namin. So, just believe in your guts and then believe what God's plan for you, then yeah, kasi wala ring mangyayari kung hindi tayo mag-risk, diba? Lalo na kung talagang gustong-gusto mo makuha yung job na yun. Isa yun sa mga magiging stepping stone din ni Aki. So, that's why Aki accepted it. So, are you excited for your new job tomorrow?
Yes.
It's really excited, guys. Kasi he really wants to be with a person who recommend him, para naman gusto niya kasi matrain siya ng maayos nung nag-recommend sa kanya, kasi syempre nahihiya siya na manager na yung mag-train sa kanya pag alis ng nag-recommend sa kanya. So ayun lang, guys, ang video na ito. So sana nagustuhan nyo at may natutunan kayo, and we'll still going to update you on did we made the right decision on doing this. So we will try to update you guys, but for now we'll just end this vlog here. See you again on our next one. Bye. Open for any advice or any recommendations or any suggestions that you can give to us. Feel free to comment in the comment section below, guys. Then baka may matutunan din kami sa inyo, lalo na dun sa mga taong naka-experience na ng ganito at this moment, na not just only about tariff, kung okay ba yung magiging decision namin, pero yung what will be the outcome of this decision. So yun, waiting kami ng mga comments nyo. Sana may maganda at makuha kaming magandang advice sa inyo bilang mga nanonood sa amin. So yun lang, ingat lagi, keep safe everyone, bye.